Hello everyone, another day, another parcel, and it's a beautiful day. It's so sunny. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Thanks for joining. So, parcel here, got 3 of them. Not quite sure what's in this one because I can't remember what I ordered. So, normally it was probably something that was on offer at the time, and that's generally the way I get stuff. I collect a lot of points and I use them. Anyway, let's dig in, let's open it up and see what it is. I'm reckoning it's a plane. Might be a car, who knows. Right. Open it up. Ooh, looks like a plane. Oh, epic, look at that. Right, so this is the XK, I believe. Yep, XK A300 Beach D17S biplane, and that looks awesome. That looks absolutely epic. So it's not something I've started playing off alone before, so this is going to be new, and I believe there is some assembly to be done. Oh yeah, it just looks awesome, that does. I think there's quite a few reviews on it already. I haven't looked at them yet, but I will do. Let's have a quick look. I think some assembly needed, is what I was told. This is fairly cheap. I remember when I think this came out maybe a year ago or just over a year ago, and they're about £170, but I got this for about 65, I think £70, including shipping. So yeah, some assembly required. So instructions, wing, bottom wing, fuselage probably underneath there, the rear tail, and a 2S lipo. Yeah, so I think what we need to do is I need to go away and put this together. I'm not going to show you the video of me putting it together. What I am going to do instead is link Brian Phillips RC video, because he goes through the full build on this. I'm sure he does. Not looked at it yet, but I know he's got every plane and he's done every plane. So he's the guy that I go to look at videos on any plane that I get, because I know that he's covered it already, right? And he's really good. So I'm going to link his video in below, so you can go and have a look at that whenever you want. And I am going to go away and build this carefully and read the instructions, and then we're going to go and take it for a fly, because we've got perfect weather for it. So let's do this, and I will be right back with a fully built plane.